actual like proper week since I've turned on my camera and been able to sit. This week has been so busy. I've been doing so many different things, but last night I went to bed a bit late, got to sleep in today, and I feel so recharged. I feel so rejuvenated and ready to tackle my Saturday. I do have this weekend off from work, so I want to spend it recharging, resetting, focusing on content, filming, all that really fun and good stuff. So I guess that's what this vlog is. I'm going to be doing a weekend in the life self-care edition. You guys know I love my self-care routine and I always love filming it and just vlogging in general. We're going to go downstairs in a little bit to go make breakfast, but yesterday was a super big day and I really want to share it in this video. If you've been a subscriber on my channel for like the past few years, or you've ever watched one of my yearly reset videos, I always create vision boards, and on each vision board for like the past 2024 would have been the 5th year. I always had this one piece of jewelry on my vision board since I was about 12 and a half, 13, to represent, yes, luxury things, but also monetization and like YouTube in a way. I kind of kept it as a goal of mine, but I would spend it on this piece of jewelry, something sentimental, something of value, and to show for this new milestone. This piece of jewelry I bought yesterday, and it's so crazy to say I couldn't stop smiling yesterday. I went to Fraser Hart, and this place is in the Cardiff St David's shopping centre, and I went and bought my necklace from there. And they also have a website, so I'll link that down below. And it comes with a little ribbon. It came in a little dust bag. It's really, really soft. Inside it's purpley and then outside it's navy. Basically the necklace came in the little classic green Gucci box, and inside it comes in another one of the little cases. I am in love. I'm so obsessed. It does not feel real. It does not feel real. This is what the Gucci heart necklace looks like. I love this because the pendant itself, as you guys can see like in comparison, it is quite big. It's dainty, but it's also there, you know? And the clasp I love as well because it's super big and I've got nails, so this just makes life so much easier. I'm so grateful to do YouTube and to have a platform like my channel and to have all of you guys, because things like this just, it wouldn't be possible. I love creating YouTube videos, and to see something that I've always visioned for so many years now come to fruition is so crazy. But yeah, I really want to do a cute little unboxing. I am so beyond obsessed, and I really couldn't do this without every single one of you. It's so crazy that I was able to go to a store yesterday and make this purchase from YouTube. It was very full circle, but just doesn't feel real at the same time. It all means so much to me, and thank you for making my vision come true. I've just put the necklace on and I'm gonna wear it today in this video. I'm feeling super hungry, so let's go make some breakfast. I don't really know what I'm feeling this morning. I am making eggs and I'm gonna have it this morning with toast with ham. It has been a hot minute since I've had eggs on toast. Today it just sounded really good, so I wanted to have some today. Right now I just got some coffee. It tastes so good. I also have a few things coming in the mail over the weekend, and by Monday everything's supposed to be here. I'm gonna be filming a collective clothing haul. So I ordered some bits from like White Fox, ASOS, and I'm so excited. Just finished making breakfast. This morning I have made egg and ham bagel. I don't know if this is a weird combination, but I swear it tastes so good. So I'm gonna eat this morning. Also, I was gonna use regular like toast, but then I saw we had bagels, so I wanted to eat a bagel. This is what I'm eating for breakfast today. So I've just come back upstairs and I brought my coffee with me, and right now I'm gonna do some journaling. I really miss journaling, writing out everything that's going on up here. Journaling makes me feel so in touch with myself and my thoughts. It really does ground me. I'm gonna use my self-reflection cards. I use these a lot in my YouTube videos at the moment. Do really love them, and I love using them because it just has journal prompts in them and it makes it easier. Get to the roots of lots of things. Also, it does get me off my phone. Do not disturb. And we're gonna look through and I'm gonna show you guys the journal prompts I decide to use. Self-awareness starts with self-reflection. So that really applies to today's video. Just finished journaling. I did about half an hour. I'm really happy with these questions because I think they were super thoughtful and I got to answer them in my journal, the prompts that I used. What is my happiness level on a scale of 1 to 10? And then I had to write it down, date it, and why is it this number and what could make it higher? What feels impossible today that would shock me to accomplish in a year? What's the best gift I can give myself in this chapter of my life? What am I doubting about myself currently? Replace that thought with an affirmation and repeat it out loud. What have I accomplished recently that would have shocked me a year ago? What's my favorite song at the moment? Why do I love it so much? What purchase has meant the most to me recently? What is a purchase that I could have done without? Those are the cards that I used this morning. That was a really wholesome little writing sesh. Now that we've finished journaling, I really want to do some baking today. Apple pie, but I don't think I have a pie tin, so I'm thinking about making some sort of pastry. How I made these apple crisp puffs. I think that's what you call them. I've been watching so many of those videos. I really want to try to make my own today. Cut up some apple, wrapped it in pastry, added some cinnamon and sugar and butter to toast them on top. I'm so excited to see how they're gonna turn out. Now the next day, and this morning I went to the supermarket and I bought loads of groceries, a few bits for the week. So I'm gonna go downstairs in a minute and we're gonna do a grocery haul. This morning I've also just had a shower and right now I am on FaceTime with my boyfriend. Let's go downstairs and let's go do a grocery haul. Honestly, I've got quite some like random things in here. I've got the New York Bakery Co. cinnamon and raisin bagels. These are my favorite. I also got some raspberries. I got a 4-pack this time because I've been eating the raspberries more than the blueberries. The combo pack. Shepherd's pie for dinner. Another pumpkin spice cold brew. The one from yesterday is gone. I finished that. But that's basically everything that I got from Sainsbury's today. I've impulsively decided I'm gonna go on a walk. Now, I don't have my headphones with me, so this is gonna be a very peaceful walk. It is in fact forecasted to rain in 20 minutes and I'm gonna hope there's somewhere for like covered to sit. 25% chance of rain, but then at 4 o'clock it's 40%. However though, it is 13 degrees outside and it is windy, so I'm gonna bring my puffer jacket, my earmuffs, and I've also got my bag that I'm gonna bring with me as well. I definitely think that this weekend has been really peaceful and way more in touch with myself, if that makes any sense. I was debating whether or not even to go to like town today or something. I just decided that I'm gonna stay home, just chill. Also, I am all pink right now and I'm kind of living for it. I cannot hear myself, but these are from Urban. This is from Primark. My leggings are from Boo Avenue and my shoes are Air Forces. 5-minute journal I'm gonna bring with me, purse, and also my keys. This is gonna be so wholesome. I'm very excited and I'm gonna be so warm.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.